And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this Type-C USB flash drive. Now this is a 128 gigabyte Type-C flash drive. Great for files, photos, music, video, and more. You can see there, green 128 gig 3.0. Now what's great about this is it has a 2-in-1 design. So yeah, I don't have scissors. This should actually come in handy for me for being able to save some extra content when I run out of space. So if you look at this, I picked green because I love green. And now this is what it looks like. Now you're probably thinking, what a weird design for a Type-C flash drive. But here's what's really cool. If you pull on this side, you can collapse it. See how that works? So I can take the USB-C side and plug it into a USB-C device. But if I go somewhere and say I've got a Windows computer and only have the option for full-size USB-A, I can just turn it around and use full-size USB-A. To me, this is a great accessory for any IT professional or photographer, videographer, anything who may be using, you know, a Mac as their daily work computer, but may go to a friend's house who would only have an old Windows USB-A. So very unique, absolutely love this. 128 gigs is plenty of storage, very tiny to fit in your hand, absolutely great. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.